Hello, I hope you are good. This is the first lesson in Welcome Unit, Lesson 4, and I'm talking about telling the time. Telling the time just become very important in our daily life because you can see lots of people have watch, and also you can find clocks in every houses. So you have to know about how to read and how to tell the time. For example, we have a clock. We have at the first we have to divide the clock into two sides, the right side and the left side. And we have two elements. We have two things. This long one, and which is very fast, is minute hand, and the short one, which is very slow, it is hour hand. When the long one, the minute hand, is in the right side, we have to use past. But when it is in the left side, sorry, when it is in the left side, we have to use two. Okay. Also, we have to know about these four numbers, that they are different. Number 12 is always o'clock. For example, when the long one, the minute hand, is on the number 12, you have to say o'clock. But when it's on the number 3, we have to say quarter. And when it goes on the number 6, we have to say half. And when it goes on the number 9, we have to say quarter. For example, asking about time, how we can ask about time. We have some ways to ask about time. Two common ways to ask about time. The first one is, what time is it, please? The second one is, what is the time, please? For example, you have this clock. And if we look at the numbers and the hour and minute hands, you have to know where it is and in which side, in the left or right side. Then the answer is, and we have to answer just like this, it is 20 to 12. It is 20 to 12 because the minute hand is in the left side, and also it's on the number 8, and the short one is very near, very close to number 12, so it's 20 to 12. We have some examples. Someone just asks, what time is it now? If we look at the picture, the clock, if we look at the clock, and if you just look at the function, the long one and the short one, the minute hand and the hour hand, you know that the short one is the long one is on the number 12, so it's gonna be o'clock. So, and the short one is on the number 9, so it's 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. We have another example. Again, somebody just asks, what time is it now? When we look at the clock, we have to know that the short one, the minute hand, is on the number 6. So it's in the right side, and the short one is on the number 10. So the answer is, it's a quarter past 10. A quarter past 10. Again, we have another question. What is the time right now? Also, you can use this way of asking about time. And here we have the clock. If you look at this, the long one is on the number 9, so we have to use quarter. And also it is in the left side, so we have to use 2. And the short one is on the number 11, so we have to say the number is, it's a quarter to 11. A quarter to 11, because it's in the left side. We have another example. What's the time, please? Again, there is a clock. The answer is, it's 20 past 1. It is 20 past 1. Another example. Here we have another way to ask about time, which is, can you tell me what time is it, please? Again, there's the clock. The answer is, it's 5:30. 5:30, because the long one is on the number 6. It's also possible to use 15 instead of quarter. For example, instead of saying it's quarter to 2, we say it's 15 to 2. And instead of saying it's a quarter past 1, we say it's 15 past 1. So here we can see that, and we can understand that telling time is very important, and it's very important to know how to read it and how to tell somebody else about what time is it. This is the end. I hope you just get it, you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.